Real-world asset tokenization is one of the most significant long-term trends in finance, and 2025 was the year it moved from concept to reality. Tokenization converts ownership rights in physical or financial assets, U.S. Treasury bills, real estate, private equity stakes, commodities, into digital tokens that live on a blockchain. These tokens can be bought and sold 24 hours a day, fractionally owned, and settled in seconds rather than the days required by traditional financial infrastructure. The landmark milestone of 2025. BlackRock's BUIDL fund, which tokenizes short-term U.S. Treasury bills, crossed $1 billion in assets, becoming the largest on-chain fund in the world. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, building the largest tokenized fund, is an extraordinary signal. The passage of the Genius Act, the first U.S. stablecoin legislation, created the regulatory framework that tokenized finance requires. Stablecoins are the payment rails of the tokenized economy, and legal clarity on their status unlocked institutional participation. The total on-chain RWA market reached $15 billion in 2025. Boston Consulting Group projects this could grow to $16 trillion by 2030, from a 1,000x increase from today's levels. For investors wanting exposure to the RWA tokenization theme, there are multiple access points at different risk levels. The most accessible, tokenized treasury funds. Ondo Finance's USDY and BlackRock's BUIDL offer U.S. Treasury bill yields with on-chain settlement, accessible via Coinbase and other institutional platforms. You earn the same yield as a money market fund, but with the efficiency of blockchain settlement. Stablecoin infrastructure plays include Circle, which issued its IPO in 2025 as the issuer of USDC, the second largest stablecoin. The Genius Act legitimized Circle's business model, and revenue from USDC issuance is tied directly to the level of interest rates. Blockchain infrastructure. Coinbase is the dominant U.S. crypto exchange and the primary on-ramp to the tokenized economy. Ethereum and Solana are the settlement layers where most RWA projects are being built. Tokenized real estate via platforms like Realty allows fractional property ownership in U.S. rental properties, starting from $50 per token, providing real estate cash flow without the illiquidity of direct property ownership. The critical risk caveat. This is genuinely early stage. Smart contract exploits stole over $2 billion from DeFi protocols in 2024. Regulatory status of tokenized securities is still being defined. Treat this as a venture scale allocation, meaningful upside potential, but real possibility of loss. This is the disclaimer slide. All content in this presentation is for educational purposes only. It does not constitute investment advice. Viewers should consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions.